Research scholars at Manipuri University, DMU, staged a protest outside the university's administration block, demanding immediate release of pending fellowships for non-JRF scholars. Demonstrators displayed placards reading back researchers, built the future, no fellowship, no research, stipend delay is labor exploitation, and release our stipends now. The protest highlighted severe financial hardships and academic disruptions caused by the non-disbursements of their stipends. Speaking at the demonstration, Manipur University Students' Union DMU-SU President Irom Dimosha noted that around 800 research scholars across 2022, 2024 and 2026 batches are currently impacted. He criticized the university administration for failing to take concrete action despite prior discussions, calling the continued delay deeply unfortunate. He warned that scholars will launch even stronger forms of agitations if their stipends are not released immediately.
University research scholarship batch 2022 batch 24 batch 26 batch ado hek horokdagi oina Non-Jrf singi fellowship amta asibobo pidri haitare adu sing to pidabna maram orakanda khoi lanchu laksangibna maram orakanda research tawba matamda survey chatto khudimokta aidi Non-Jrf ki fellowship phangdabna maram kanda adugi mating awab nangi haitare satra jingda adugi phangmaduna khoi research loimok tawni haijabadi nati tawdobu kitang do orsu maruoina Manipur University tawriba research scholar khudimak ngai fa imungna oidabana maram kanda adudagi phangpa paisaduna akoida kitang do orsu research tawba matamda mai paknabagi lambi da khong thangjin ngangani habde thamjagi akhataba akoi continue oina khongjang changsinbagi akoi nan firep lawjaba loigre adu ngasigi oina di ahanbu oina student protest tawjabani adu response lakpidaba taragadi hengdagi oina context oina dum akoi makhatana khongjang changsinjagi gani